کیا کہتے ہو؟
Assalamualaikum Huzur, میرا نام ہے نبیل محمود حیات, and my question is, what does Allah do to help you in your daily life?
اچھا, so he helped me in managing my time so that I complete all my work, all my responsibilities. I try to do it, and I hope I try to finish it, because I have a pile of letters from the people and pile of letters from different missions, and there are so many files. Then I do see them and then give notes on them, and then if I see and think that I can do it without Allah's help, I can never, because the number is in thousands. So this is how Allah helped me in managing my time. So when I see a letter, just in one glance I can just see the subject matter of it, which an ordinary person cannot read so fast. Right? Okay. This also depends on the practice. This is how I did. So if you repeatedly do something, then Allah help you. And apart from that, there are so many other things, prayer and other things. Yes, Allah, this is how. Anyway, the basic thing is Allah helps me in managing my time. Without His help, I cannot do it.